Hi guys, welcome back to channel today. My name is Season, and today we're rushing tank. The bad eye straight away.
Praise the Emperor! Our protein cube delivery has arrived.
No, that is the Lombax! Praise the Emperor! And engage the lockdown!
The elevator is descending.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Backup reporting in with overwhelming force! Do not remember me like this!
Watch the sprinkler, Red!
Guess we're not getting in the front door with this lockdown.
Can we look around? There must be another way in.
Oh, the stairs. Alright.
What's all that noise, my chums? Time for you to win. This cannot...
Freeze them in their tracks with Ms. Zircon's newest, the Cold Snap. Brrr.
Ooh, that is Blazon. A common element restoring energy. I knew it! The Blazon must have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos. We have shifted into another dimension.
An abandoned dimension from the looks of it.
Which is so twatchy, really did.
The elevator's here.
I want to make that really too far away.
It helps, Ratchet. I have never met my family either. Unless you count the Emperor. In which case, you cannot do any worse.
Probably not. But even if the Lombaxes are the best family ever, you'd still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
I've hit a few bad guys, sure, but they invented so many brilliant things.
You sell yourself short.
Maybe, but I have a good life in my dimension, Kit, and I don't risk it. Speaking of risk, if Kandaro Station exists in this dimension, do you think the Rubion Forge does too?
Possibly. But with the state of everything here, who knows if it would work?
Maybe our best bet then is to find some more Blazon and head back to the other dimension.
Raw scenery, very nice.
Do you think they were researching plants here?
Maybe. Or something broke out of its container.
Oh.
heavy void!
Oh no.
They're coming at us! Jeez, they're everywhere!
Do not let them eat me. Keep firing, or they will overwhelm us. Was that all of them?
Let's go with... maybe?
More of them.
That's some Nevoids multiply in all dimensions!
I can hear their stomachs rumbling.
The bad eyes here.
Can you imagine being consumed by those gelatinous lips?
I'm pretty sure they wouldn't have eaten you.
That is easy for you to say. You are not bite-sized.
Sorry. I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Is he okay?
I'm Ratchet.
Oh, that is great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great, too. Can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm, looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
If the room is prone to flooding, they would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high.
Ratcho, you did not ask for it, but my name is Junkbot, in case you are interested. I know I am.
Pleasure to meet you, Junkbot! This is Kit!
Hello.
Hey, kid. Why do you two need that Blizon?
We're, trying to get into another dimension to use their Rubion forge.
We have one here. Too bad it has not worked in forever. It can make the funnest squares. You did it, Ratchet. My favorite arm! This way!
Go back, that's no dice.
So, is that access arm like some kind of key?
If by key you mean a way to easily and safely press buttons, then yes!
What?
But please on! Oh, there is an elevator that will take us to one of those delightfully glowy crystals right up ahead.
What is that?
That is Juice, my best friend. He tries to kill me sometimes, but he is a great listener.
He tries to kill you?
If you become friends too, you can call him Juicy, or Juicy, or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname. See? Elevator. Bam! Now let me just press the button with the old access arm.
Bad eyes.
to us, Junpot.
Okay, I will just stay down here and watch you.
We're up here.
Ratchet! The big one! The big one!
A big shine.
There we go.
Ratchetty, you might want to get in this elevator soon, or now. Well done. You totally. Aw, I have never seen you so playful before.
That's playful?
Usually he just moseys around the station doing his own thing, but he seems to be actively chasing you. I am jealous. There it is! My favorite Blizon in all of the station! I love the way it sparkles as you stare at it.
Well, I guess this is goodbye then. Thanks for all your help, Junpot.
It was my pleasure, Rah-Rah and Kitty. Where did you come from?
Another dimension?
Yeah, very funny. Tell GeorgeBot he better watch his back tomorrow.
The Rubion Forge should be just ahead.
What are you doing here?
That's actually a funny story.
Was I talking to you?
You are talking to me.
We are under lockdown. How did you and your steed get in here?
I am inspecting your facility. And how white it is. And orange. Because I am an interior decorator. First class. And the Emperor wanted this redecoration to be a surprise for you and your team. But now, you ruined it.
I would never do that to the Emperor. Please come in and consider my memory banks deleted.
Nice save, Decorator Kit. What do we do now?
Conversing with the researchers could help decrease suspicion. Or we can head straight to the Forge's controls and make the Dimensionator.
Looks like the Forge's controls are right up on that platform.
What are we doing, Riri? It is right there. Come on, let's work. In reality.
So, what exactly did he want?
For it to
Oh, right there. Didn't see that.
Schematics uploaded.
What do we got? I see.
Are you winging this?
Come on.
You ran the forge with auxiliary power only? The main power button was right there!
Ah, just running a stress test. Let me see. Yes, everything is breaking correctly.
Let's get out of here before.
Get those charlatans!
Greetings, intruders. This is for you to the biology wing. You would be perfect.
Oh yes. Back with the three parts.
Why did the forge not work?
I guess it wasn't fully powered? That other button didn't look right.
You said you were not winging this.
I'm not. I'm intuiting it. Security's everywhere. We gotta get out of here.
What about the Dimensionator?
We'll figure something out.
Big guys here. Time for the fusion.
There's nothing in this room. Gotta keep moving.
Interior decorators! How could you fall for such a thing? They didn't even have licenses! I need that Lumbax found immediately. Spoil my victory any further. That Lumbax! Get that Lumbax!
That won't be the last of them. We need to find a way to escape.
What if we use Blizon?
Good call! Cross dimension sounds pretty good right about now.
I see the intruders.
Right, it's time for the execution.
All right.
We have them cornered now.
What do we do now? That was the only ruby on Forge that could make the Dimensionator.
There's still one in this dimension, though. Maybe we can get it working again.
That? Kitsy?
Junkbot! What would it take to get your Rubion Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. And with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have all yours, Glitch.
Time!
Right, the level dice. Here we go.
Dimension has viruses too?
One down. This is so fun. Oh, force it out. Oh, sugar. Not many bad bites.